Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Cloudflare Dashboard for DNS privacy and security. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type cloudflare.com and press enter. Once the Cloudflare homepage loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your Cloudflare account in the first text field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to complete that process. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. After logging in, you will be directed to the Cloudflare dashboard. Here, you can manage your DNS settings and review your security configuration. To enhance your DNS privacy, navigate to the DNS section of the dashboard. Check that your DNS records are set correctly. Review the available security features under the firewall and security settings. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure optimal security for your domain. Once you've completed your changes, look for the Save or Update button to apply them. Congratulations, you've successfully logged into the Cloudflare dashboard and optimized your DNS settings for privacy and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.